Hi, I'm Ellen and I'm Chair of WMSC. I want to introduce you to the Welsh Medical Students Committee, which is a BMA committee. But first of all, I'll tell you about the BMA and what we do. The BMA is the trade union and professional association for doctors and medical students, and we support a large community of over 160,000 members. The BMA support doctors and medical students in a lot of ways. We offer expert support to you in your studies and your personal lives. When an issue arises in your local area, we have over 230 local advisors on hand to help you by negotiating on your behalf. You can also approach your local student reps who will help you with any issues. As a trade union, we are the leading voice in bringing about change in the profession. We lobby the government in order to secure better conditions for all doctors and students. You can also access free online learning and development courses, including tools to help you navigate your exams. The Welsh Medical Students Committee, otherwise known as WMSC, is formed of reps from Cardiff and Swansea medical schools and acts on behalf of all students in Wales. We want to make studying medicine in Wales a better place, so we listen to our student reps and fight for change. Where appropriate, collaborating with Welsh Government, local health boards and HEIW. We also work closely with the BMA's UK Medical Students Committee. One of the priorities the committee is focusing on at the moment is widening participation to medicine, which feeds into the work we're doing with the Afro-Caribbean Medical Association. We produced a booklet a few years back called Why Haven't You Thought About Studying Medicine Yet? This details the different paths into medicine, with the message being that background doesn't have to determine whether or not you can go to medical school or not. We also produced a widely shared poster showing the different paths into medicine that can be taken. This has been shared and utilised by both Cardiff and Swansea medical schools, along with being shared with schools across Wales. We're delighted to have formed a relationship with the African Caribbean Medical Association and will be working together with them and Swansea University's BAME network to promote equality of opportunity in medical schools and into the wider profession. We have some doctors speaking to you a bit later on today, offering advice on your career and an insight into their own, and we hope to work with the African Caribbean Medical Association on more exciting projects moving forwards. I wanted to share with you that Cardiff University has now signed up to the BMA's Racial Harassment Charter for medical schools. They issued a message to students in the medical school in November, so you may already be aware of this. The intention is to prevent and address racial harassment and include support and training on how to respond when such behaviour is seen or experienced. BMA Cymru has also now launched its BAME Forum for Wales. It launched last month and we're actively seeking members in Wales. What is the BAME Forum? The forum will contribute to and inform our policy work on race equality for our own members and the wider medical workforce. Influence Welsh Government and Employers Wales to improve support for BAME and IMG doctors and students, and raise the profile of the contributions of BAME doctors to the NHS in Wales. If you're a BMA member and would like to join to contribute to change for BAME doctors in Wales, get in contact with us. Back to the work at WMSC and some of our other priorities. At the moment, these include raising awareness for student mental health issues and support offered by medical schools in Wales, lobbying for improvements in the standard of accommodation for students on placement, and monitoring the implementation of the MLA, Medical Licensing Assessment, and medical students' own assessment procedures. If you do want to find out more about the BMA's Welsh Medical Students Committee or want to speak about any issues you're facing as a medical student, you can get in touch by emailing us or reaching out via our social media channels. These are exceptional times, and as medical students, you may find yourself experiencing additional pressures, stress, or anxiety. We wanted to let you know that the BMA offers a counselling and peer support service for all medical students, whether you're a member or not. Whether it be exam stress, anxiety, relationship issues, etc., there is always somebody you can talk to. You can call our wellbeing team 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you'll have the choice of speaking to a counsellor or a doctor who you can contact for peer support.